Exponential functions learning target 2C. We have two different tables here. Let's look at the first one. My y first starts at 5 and then I go to 7. I think, do I add, subtract, or multiply or divide to go to that? And then from 7 and 9. I actually add 2 each time. Remember, when you add or subtract by the same number, this is a linear function. Now let's look on the other side. I go from 4 to 8, 8 to 16. I times by 2. Whenever I times or divide by the same number, it is exponential. So my exponential function is this second table. Now, looking at the common ratio. The common ratio is what each one goes by of my exponential function. We said that was 2. So my exponential function is times 2. My y-intercept is wherever I'm at my 0, what is my y equal? So it is going to be 4. Now let's look at these situations where we have the equation. My common ratio is next to my x, so my common ratio for the first one is just 4. Remember, we do not put the x in there, just the number. My y-intercept is the first number, so -3. And then, in order to be growth, my common ratio has to be greater than or equal to 1. For decay, it has to be between 0 and 1. So I ask myself, for number 1, is my common ratio greater than 1? Yes, it's 4, so it's growth. Now looking at number 2, my common ratio again is next to my exponent, so that's 0.70. My y-intercept is my first number, so 6. I ask myself, is my common ratio greater than 1? No, it's actually less than 1, so it is decay. In the third problem, my common ratio still is next to my exponent, so my common ratio is 1/2. My y-intercept is 2, and I ask myself, is my common ratio greater than 1? No, when I do 1 divided by 2, it's 0.5, so it is decay.